Hello, nurses friends. I believe that knowledge is a power. Being a nurse, you should have update knowledge of your profession. I have seen many of our senior who are not update themselves and their knowledge goes out of dated. Here I am trying to give you update through my digital channel or digital platform. This will help to student to gain knowledge for junior nurses who yet not settle in job can update and get more information to prepare for exams, and those senior nurses who are studied long back and yet not refreshed, they can refresh their knowledge through my digital channels because this is the COVID pandemic time. So if we are away from the home, sometime we are in the quarantine period or anywhere, you can see my videos and update your knowledge. So here I am trying to get the blanks which are asked in many exams, especially in Gujarat Nursing Council. So please be with me. Filling the blanks. The primary health center does cover the population in plain area. So as you know that we have the structure of population based centers like a sub centers, primary health center, community health center. So in primary health center which cover the population of 30,000 population in plain area, and if it is in tribe area, hilly area, it will cover 20,000. Next, IYCF stand for means the what is the full form of IYCF? Answer is infant and young children feeding. So move to next. Ascorbic acid tablet is given for absorption of DES. Which medicine is given with ascorbic acid or vitamin C? So answer is iron or ferrous sulfate. And the ascorbic acid increase the absorption of iron in intestine. The birth registration should be done within days, means how many days before we need to register birth and death. So according to law, 21 days. Before 21 days we should register the birth. Otherwise, if we go beyond that, we need to pay some penalties and do some extra formalities. Causative organism for leprosy is, means what is the organism that cause leprosy? The answer is Mycobacterium leprae. Mycobacterium leprae is the bacteria which cause leprosy. The BCG vaccine is given by dash route, means the which route is used for BCG vaccination. So answer is intradermal or in short ID. The community development block covers dash villages, means the how many villages covered in Tehsil level or Taluka level or at community block level. So answer is about 100 villages covered in block level. The causative organism of syphilis is, and answer is Treponema pallidum is the causative organism for syphilis. PEM stand for means the full form of PEM. Protein energy malnutrition is the full form of PEM. It is seen in especially in children's, and children's are suffer from marasmus, kwashiorkor. Deficiency of iron cause, as you know that iron is help in making RBCs, and if iron is less, that means the RBCs is less, RBC less means hemoglobin is less, hemoglobin less means it's called anemia. World Health Day is celebrated on dash, and the theme of the year 2020 was. So 7th April is the day. In every year we are celebrating World Health Day, and the theme of this year is support the nurses and midwife, or we can say that this is the year of nurses and midwife, because this is the 200th anniversary birth anniversary of Florence Nightingale, who pay a more contribution than other in the field of nursing. Indian Red Cross Society was established in this year, means which year the Indian Red Cross Society was established. The answer is 1920. RCH phase began from this year. So answer is 1st April 2005 was the beginning of RCS phase 1, and RCS is started in 97. ASA stand for. ASA is a volunteer in community and stand for accredited social health activist. ASA scheme was started in 2005 with NRHM. The first dose of vitamin A is DES International Unit. So as you know that the first dose of vitamin will be given at 9 months, and it is a 1 lakh international unit for the vitamin A. Thereafter 6 months the second dose of 2 lakhs international unit, and then after every 6 months there is a 9 dose of vitamin A. So total vitamin up to the 5 years it is a 17 lakhs international unit per child. AIDS Day is celebrated on this. So as you know that AIDS is acquired immunodeficiency syndrome, and it is a caused by HIV 1 and 2 or retrovirus, and every year the 1st of December is celebrated as a AIDS Day. That day we can spread awareness about the AIDS, how can we reduce the patients of AIDS. The DES is the head of the Gram Panchayat. As you know that we have the Panchayat Raj, and there is a 3-tier Panchayat Raj: village, block level and district level. So head of the Gram Panchayat is called local president, or in Sarpanch or Mukhya. The full form of UNICEF is an agency which is work for children. So United Nations International Children's Emergency Fund is the full form of UNICEF. Balam Sukham mission, 3-layer services are as. So there is a 3-layer services again in Balam Sukham. So at village level it is called Bal Shakti Kendra, at taluka level or at Tehsil block level it is called Bal Seva Kendra, and at district level it is called Bal Sanjeevani Kendra. There is also English name village village child nutrition center, Bal Shakti, and Bal Seva CMTC, and Bal Sanjeevani, it is a rehabilitation center, nutritional rehabilitation center. Now next is NSV stand for no scalp vasectomy. It is an operation, there is a no incision and we can do the vasectomy, means the it is a sterilization of male procedure. RNTCP stand for Revised National TB Control Program, and now it is again changed to National TB Elimination Program. It is renamed again in 1st of January 2020. The first 5-year plan started in this year, means the first Panchvarshi Yojana was started in 1951. So in 1947 we get freedom, and then after 4 years the Panchvarshi Yojana or the 5-year plan was started. Occupational deafness may be caused by as you know that every occupation there is some hazard. So in if we work in deafness or in a high noise area, we get deafness in the ear, or we lost the hearing power. ART is given to deaf patient. ART means antiretroviral therapy. Retroviral is the second name of HIV 1 and 2. So it is HIV AIDS patient who's treated with ART. TB Day is celebrated on this day. So 24th March every year we are celebrating as a World TB Day. Tablet Dapsone given to deaf patient. So as you know that Dapsone is used for leprosy patients. After giving dose vitamin A, and the days month are fixed for another dose. So the first dose is given at 9 months, and second dose is after 6 months. So sometime if we give this first dose at 12 months, then it is second dose will be at 18 months. Otherwise we can keep 6 month distance between the two doses, because it is a oil soluble vitamin, and if we get lesser time, then that it will harm the liver of child. So keep in mind that vitamin A is oil soluble, and it should be keep minimum 6 month apart doses. CARE stand for Cooperative Assistance for Relief Everywhere. It was before called Cooperative American for Relief Everywhere, but now it is a Cooperative Assistance for Relief Everywhere. Triple vaccine prevent dash and dash disease, means which are the disease prevented by triple vaccine. It is a shortly called DPT, diphtheria, pertussis, and tetanus. Pertussis means a whooping cough. Next, MTP stand for medical termination of pregnancy. This is the act in our countries passed in 71. After that, there is a law that before 20 weeks, if the pregnant woman and the medical condition will not permit them to continue the pregnancy, then it can be terminated with a definite cause. But now it is again changed. There is no upper limit. If the life of children and life of mother is in danger, it can be done at any time by the group of gynecologists. Not only one gynecologist, but 2 or more gynecologists can be decided whether to do MTP or not. In the plain area, female health worker is expected to cover the population of. So in plain area, the female health worker or ANM cover 5,000 population. One lady health visitor is available for dense population. So as you know that lady health visitor is per PHC. So it's about 20 to 30,000 population can be covered by one lady health visitor, or nowadays it is called female health supervisor or health assistant. So thank you for watching my videos. If you think this will help nurses to update knowledge, please share. Thank you.